In this video, I'm going to talk about how to download WinRAR on Windows 11. It is really helpful kind of an application where you can zip and unzip files on a computer. So to download it, what you need to do is we have to go over here to the any search engine. And once you get into the google.com or whatever it is, you can just go over here. Now what you need to do is we just need to type a WinRAR download. Then you can just search like this and press enter. Now it'll begin in the top side there. It's called www.win-rar.com. You have to click on this particular one over here. Now once you get into this, you can see this is what it looks like. Now in order to download it, what you need to do is you have to click on WinRAR English 64-bit. We have lots of kind of things. Click on the 64-bit. Now that is going to download the file here. As you can see, it is getting downloaded. All we have to do is just wait for a couple of seconds so that it will be finished up. And also keep in mind, this is around 3.6 MB. It's not consuming so much space. And all we need to do is just wait for a couple of seconds here. So once you get into this, what you need to do is we have to click on this. Now this is how it looks like. Now if you wanted to install it, we have to double click on this. Now this particular RAR will be installed. Go for yes. Now it is going to ask you some question like this. So make sure that you have to go to install. And now afterwards, it is going to ask you some questions. So make sure add WinRAR to the desktop. And I don't want this to be in the start menu. You can do it if you wanted. You can just put a check and go for next. And now what happens is you have to go for done. And right now, as you can see, the WinRAR is created. So if you want to know how to use it, so you can both unzip and zip the file. So for example, I'll do one thing. I'll go over here, click on the videos. And this is some of already taken videos. So I'll select this. And right now, what I'm trying to right click on this. And if I go over here, you can see there is an option called WinRAR. And I have to go to add to videos over here. Just click on this. So these kind of applications will be completely compressed here. So right now, as you can see, it's getting processed here. So these two files is compressed, and here you can see this. And if I want to open it, I have to double click over here like this and go over here to the WinRAR and open with the WinRAR. And right now you can see these are the two files which I compressed right now, and you can get a complete details over here. In this, you can both zip it as well as you can unzip it, and this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.